Welcome back to MTDCNC North America, my friends. We're happy to have you here in Mexico with us. Well, we're going to clarify a couple of things on the Robodrill, because here in Mexico, there's still that misconception that says this is a small machine only for drill tapping, and that is not the case. So let's talk about the capabilities of the Robodrill here in Mexico for the Mexican market.
Yeah, of course. Thank you, Tony. Nice to meet you. And thank you for the opportunity to be here talking about, as you say, that is a misunderstanding about Robodrill, because it's a real vertical machining center with big capabilities. If we say that it can fix in a Robodrill, must be made in a Robodrill. So it's a very powerful machine with 21 tools, very fast ATC, chip-to-chip capability, and it's a 1.5 Gs of acceleration. So we can offer in three sizes: small, medium, and large. Small is 300 millimeters in X travel. The medium is 500 millimeters, and large is 700 millimeters. We can offer in 10,000 RPMs and in 24,000 RPMs. And as you say, it's a horsepower machine. You can run 24/7, 36 and 5 days a year. It's a really very strong, and as you say, with the big plus spindle, offers a capability like a taper 40 machine, even that is a 30 taper machine.
You know, I've had conversations with people, and this is for you guys out there watching right now. I've had conversations with people, well, they'll take a part that they're machining on a 40 taper bigger machine and take that exact same part without changing anything on the program, put it into this faster 30 taper machine, and they reduce cycle time by 25% based on the capabilities of the speed alone without changing any of the program dimensions.
No, you're totally right. In fact, we always offer that to our customers, that with touching almost anything in the program, per program, we can put in loading in this machine, and as you say, they will save up to 20% in cycle time.
And you know what else, amigo? What I love about a Robodrill is its capability to connect with robots and cobots. You mentioned that there's 21 tools in here, but you have carousels of options to get more tools, to get part loading and unloading. This is a very adaptable machine to someone's shop. If it's one of those shops that changes out parts regularly, this is the type of machine that can help support a low batch size and a high productivity rate with these different options.
Yes, of course. We can offer with APC, to APC. We can offer with a huge robot with a magazine with hundreds of tools as you need it. Also, we can provide an automatic pallet changer with robot. Everything, as you say, this machine uses the 31 Fanuc control. That is the more powerful series of the Fanuc robots, and you can make anything you want and connect it anything you want, and you can monitoring your machine wherever you are.
And this thing really pays for itself. And what I love about these systems that you're adding to the Robodrill, they all come from Fanuc as well, so there's no misunderstanding on the communication from one system to another. It immediately knows how to work together.
Yeah, of course. You can use any net you want, but I really recommend IP Ethernet. It's very easy to communicate with, but you can use the net you prefer, and you will be done.
Well, last question I have for you before I let you off the hook, and I'm grateful that you're on camera with me right now. What are we looking at here? What is this situation up here?
It's very interesting. This small device is a vibration sensor made by Marpos. This is a joint venture between Big Showa, that they developed the Big Plus spindle, and they always offer to Fanuc Robodrill the capability to use that spindle. And our partners, also Marpos, this is a vibration sensor that you can fix the level of vibration that you can allow in your machining process. So if you go up of that level, the machine will stop it automatically. It's a very good concept. We deeply recommend.
I could have used in my machining days for sure. And everyone who watches this channel knows I talk about that from time to time. Well, thank you so much for sharing this story with the global audience at MTD, conveying this message to the Mexican market here in Mexico, and I do appreciate your time, my friend.
No, thank you very much, Tony, and I'm very excited to meet you, and I one of your followers. Thank you very much for this interview.
It's my pleasure as well.
Thank you.